How to erase everything on your Mac. So all you have to do is to open your system settings, and once you are here, make sure you are in general and scroll down to the bottom and find the transfer or reset. Here simply choose erase all content and settings. Enter your admin's password, and here it says erase all content and settings, and all settings and media and data for all users on this Mac will be removed and erased. Be careful because it will also remove all users' data. So if you click on continue, you can finish the process of erasing your data on your Mac. On the other hand, if you want to migrate your data, simply click on Open Migration Assistant and you can migrate your data to transfer information, data, settings, apps, etc. from Mac to another Mac. So if you are doing this, make sure to back up your files, otherwise all data will be removed. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.